Hi students, it's me Ashraf SIddiqui, and today I'm going to tell you how to make a program in C language. A C language is very basic for every programmer. If you want to be a good programmer, then you must have a grip over C language. So in this my video tutorial, I will guide you how to make some simple programs using C IDE. So this is a IDE, integrated development environment. In this environment, we create a program in source code, we save the program, we compile the program, and then we run the program. So there are 3 to 4 steps that are involved for the execution of a program in C language and a C IDE. So I am using Dev C 5.5.1 version, and it is used for C++ also. So we can make the programs in C as well as in C++ language using this IDE. So what is simply let's start from the basics. For example, include some header files in C programs at the beginning. That is very essential. If you want to make some programs, then at the start you must include some header files that are must for every program to write such kinds of header files. We have different kinds of header files. I will discuss this later on. So, and then after that one we have a main function, and then we have a curly bracket. So every C program has 3 parts. One is the header file that is on the top of the program, and the second one is the void main function. This is the gateway through which we enter into the program, and this is the curly brackets. Inside curly brackets here we write all our programs, all our logic, all our variables, everything we declared in these curly brackets. So let's start and do some simple job. And simple, you remember students, you must do always some simple things. Let's start from the simple and basic programs. I'm gonna add some. I declare some 2 variables and add them simply, integer a and integer b, and then we have a sum variable. So these are the variables. A is a variable, and b is a variable, and sum is a variable, and it has data type integer. It means we have integer in these variables will store. So these 2 variables a and b are called input variables. Input variables are those variables in which we give values to the variables. So, the values we give to the variables by the users are called input variables, and sum is a variable that after processing gives us the result. Sum is a it's an output variable. Computer shows us result and store it on sum. So I just store a value. A is equal to 13 and b is equal to 20. So these are the 2 values. 13 is stored in variable a, and 12 is stored in variable b, and then sum is equal to a plus b, and then we have a print statement, print f. Sum is %d, and then we have sum. So students, this is a processing, and this is a printout. This area is input, and this is processing, and this is output. So this is called IPO model. What we called IPO model. I just click in here. I just write here. What is IPO model? Input, processing, output. So these 2 variables are input, and this is a processing, and this is output. We give values to these variables, but this value is given to us by the computer after processing, and it is shown by printf statement. So what is a printf statement? Printf statement show the output sum, what is value inside the sum, like 13 to 12 and 25 on the screen. So printf function is used to show output on the screen, and it is included, and it is in header file stdioh.h. So this header file is very necessary for the running of this function. So if we use the function printf function, then we must include this stdio.h header files, And similarly, thousands of functions we use in the programs, and we have to change and we have to include those header files which support them. So what I'm gonna do, I now save the program. I just compile the program and I save the program sum3.c. so its extension is C, and the extension of C++ is .cpp. So sum3.c, I save it, and what I'm gonna do, I just I just check some errors. I think there's no error here. So students, so I just run the programs, and this is a screen which shows the program, and these are the screens and the outputs here. You see here sum is 25. So this is a simple and basic program, students, how you can develop a simple program. Remember 3 things which included in programs: header files, main functions, and the body of the program. So everything you write inside this body of the program. So my name is Ashraf SIddiqui, and I'm from Central College Ichhra Lahore. And if any of your suggestions, I just wait, and if any improvement, just email me ashrafsiddiqui63@yahoo.com, or you can also visit our college website centralcollegeichhra.weebly.com. So have a nice day, students. Thank you.